All right, everybody. Today is the day I've been waiting for. It is Tuesday, the 14th, and the wait begins. They said my kayak would be here between 1 and 5. It is now 12:35, so I'll keep you updated through this grueling wait. It's been 2 weeks since I ordered the kayak, and I've been waiting on this day every day for 2 weeks. I'm probably going to be parked in a chair somewhere on my porch, just waiting on the truck to show up. Let you know how it goes. Alright, first update. I've been sitting out here what feels like a century. It is now 1:02, so it's been about 30 minutes. Even the dog's tired of waiting. What do you think, Kita? This little kitten's testing its limits. But we're gonna sit here and the truck's gonna just pull up. Ooh. And then we step into the pedal gang. Yellow truck just pulled up. Kayak is here. I'm gonna inspect it and get it off the trailer, and then I'll update y'all again. Open it gently. Gently. I do not recommend using knives. I don't really know what else you would use, scissors maybe, but I play with razor blades all day at work. You have a phone call? No. Alright, so this is the Seastream 120 PD. It's a feel-free kayak brand. Cheapest pedal drive I could find. I looked into the what is it, the Flash 11 by Feel Free, but it just seemed a little small and narrow. This is a 12-foot kayak, and I got it for less than $1,300. Now if I could get it open, we would be in business. Oh boy, would you look at it. And Houston, we have a problem. There's my rudder. But where are my freaking pedals? Are you kidding me? Hey everybody, Garrett with No Pressure Outdoors. I'm back after a roller coaster of emotions today, and as you saw, I realized that my kayak did not have a pedal drive shipped with it. Called Sierra Trading Post, who I bought the kayak from, and they basically told me to, you know, stick it up my rear end. Either I could ship them the kayak back, or I could keep it with no pedal drive because they can't send me a pedal drive. So I contact my buddy Brian Hughes, NC Yak Angler, who is connected with Feel Free, the maker of these kayaks, and he says, you know, contact the manufacturer. So I messaged a representative from Feel Free, and lo and behold, they're going to take care of me. I will have a drive that is being shipped out tomorrow to my house. So if you don't have a Feel Free kayak, or you're not happy with the brand you're in, I'm telling you right now, I've never heard of a company just taking care of someone the way they've taken care of me. And I will either be in a C stream, a 3 waters, or a feel-free kayak from here on out. But that's that. I'm gonna go take it out to a local pond and just paddle it around, because I can't have a new kayak and not use it on the very first day. But as soon as the pedal drive gets here, we'll update with a video of that. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I've had a mental breakdown. I need to get on the water, and I need to stick a hook through a fish's mouth. Till next time, y'all just keep doing what you're doing. Like, share, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to get these pedals pumping. That's a good looking kayak.